I really enjoyed the part where I did the acting.
In Mandir we did Mahapuja. I really enjoyed it.
And the bouncy castles, energetic carnival, especially the magic show and all. Today, Kids Diwali, it was an amazing place at BAPS Hindu Mandir.
This Kids Diwali was so fun. I really enjoyed it.
स्वामिनारायणं साक्षात् अक्षरपुरुषोत्तमं महापूजा समारम्भे नमामि भक्तिभावतः.
In Mandir we did Mahapuja.
In Mahapuja, we prayed.
We can stay in focus while studying. I like the part where I invited Bhagwan.
In golden
Today, I personally loved the stage show.
We watched that Sita was trapped in Lanka because of Ravana.
I really enjoyed the part where they did the acting because it taught me some really good values. This kid, they start with the Angad story that he had Ram's Ashirwad. He didn't just go by himself. He gone by Ram's Agya and nobody could move his leg.
एक अंगद वाली स्टोरी थी और एक स्क्विरल वाली स्टोरी थी. I love the squirrel and the other people picking up the rocks and making a bridge. And then the squirrel came and was telling about, can I please help? Like they want to, like they can do seva. And I actually like the part where they taught me a lot of knowledge.
From that I learned that we need to do with bhakti and all. I can learn that Angad has lots of faith in God and he relies on God for everything.
I want to take home from that skit that small help, big impact. Even small people can make a big difference. And in the skit, I liked the squirrel part, and the message which I learned from there was small acts make big impact.
We had a lot of fun today in Kids Diwali. My favorite part was all the activities like buzzer and throw the ball and all.
I also did many activities like bouncy castle. I also played basketball and won many prizes. The activity which I liked the most was the quiz. It was really fun, and also the diya decoration. I made my own diya using crystals, stickers, and it was really fun.
I also liked the ping pong tic-tac-toe because it was very challenging and it had to like get me to think of where I should throw it and the strategies.
Then we also had to write a message on a sticky note and we had to pin it.
We had lots of fun, especially the magic show and all.